Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
To manage the proxy settings for your device, open the Settings window and click the Network and Internet button in the middle of the screen to display network and internet settings for your device. Then click the Proxy category at the left side of this window to view proxy server settings in the area to the right. A proxy server is a server to which your computer connects for things such as internet access. Under the Automatic Proxy Setup section, the Automatically Detect Settings setting is enabled by default. To specify an automatic configuration script to use for the proxy server, or to enable manual proxy server setup, you can click the toggle switch for this setting to turn it to the off position. To then specify an automatic configuration script to use, set the Use Setup Script toggle switch to the on position by clicking it. You can then enter the pathway or address to the script by typing it into the script address text box and then clicking the adjacent Save button to save the configuration. Alternately, if you wish to manually specify proxy server settings, ensure that the Use Setup Script toggle switch is set to the off position. Then enable the Use a Proxy Server toggle switch under the Manual Proxy Setup section by clicking it to turn it to the on position. Then enter the address to the proxy server into the Address field and enter the port number used to connect into the Port field. If there are addresses that you do not want the proxy server to resolve, you can enter them into the Use the Proxy Server except for addresses that start with the following entries. Use semicolons to separate entries text box. You can also check the Don't Use the Proxy Server for Local or Intranet Addresses checkbox to enable that feature. Once you have manually configured your proxy server settings, you can click the adjacent Save button to save the settings.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.